Hello kids, last week we learned about monitor, mouse and keyboard. This week we will learn about system unit, speakers and UPS one by one. What is system unit? You can see in the fourth number picture, this is called system unit. System unit is main part of the computer. It is a rectangular box and it is not as simple as it looks. It is the main part of computer. We can safely say that without the processing unit, it is difficult to think about a computer. The data and instruction which are received from the input devices are stored and processed here. The system unit is available in different sizes. This unit is provided with an on or off button which is used to start and stop the computer. The system unit is classified into two parts. First one is central processing unit, you have to learn that, and another is memory unit. Central processing unit or CPU, it is a very small chip like unit. This device is very important part of the system unit. All the calculation work is performed by the CPU. It is also controls the function of the other parts of the computer. Now, memory unit. Memory unit is also referred as the storage area. This is the unit where the data of the computer is stored during our working on the computer. Memory is also a part of body. Can you tell which part of our body contain memory glands? Brain. Brain is the right answer. Okay, now you know about the system unit. Again I will revise the lessons. So don't worry if you not understand, I will revise these lessons again. When we will finish, then I will again make you understand about CPU. At least you learn the names. System unit, speakers. Now, speakers. Speakers, what is speaker? We hear sound and music from the computer using the speaker. The microphone and the speakers from the multimedia setup for a computer system. If we want our computer to play music and display movies, we need speakers. They are used to listen to sound from the computer. Speakers are generally used to listen to songs, games and messages from the computer. So, if you want to listen to music, you have to be a speaker in your computer, right? And now UPS. What is UPS? UPS, you can see 6th number image. It is UPS. It gives battery supply to the computer even when there is a power cut. UPS stands for uninterrupted, P for power and S for supply. So, UPS is the uninterrupted power supply. When if your light power cut, then UPS give the power to the computer not to shut down and not your program get any harm. So it is also very important part of the computer. Now we all understand each part of the computer. What is the part we learn here? First is monitor. It looks like a TV screen. It shows what we do on the computer. It also displays the result of our work. Mouse, it moves a pointed arrow on the screen. We can click and give commands to the computer with the help of a mouse. Keyboard, it has many keys. We can type and give data and command to the computer with the help of a keyboard. System unit, it is the main part where all the real work of the computer is done. Speakers, we hear sounds and music from the computer using the speakers. UPS, it gives battery supply to the computer even when there is a power cut. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. Now dear, One small match the following. I will ask you question and then I will give you the answers also. First, see what in the A. What is this? It is monitor. Right, it is monitor. So it will B. Fifth number is the right answer. Monitor. Now B. System unit. It is system unit. So right answer is fourth. Now C. It is mouse. Number 1. Keyboard. It is D. Keyboard is the right answer. So the answer is second one. Speaker. We know. Third number. And fourth. It is UPS. So children, here is your answer. You can enjoy it. Now today is also there is no worksheet. So just recall and listen the video carefully. You will understand every point of the lesson.